Once you receive the card, you have to fill out the bank account debit form for the monthly payment. Write your name as shown. If you are using online banks, you can write your signature instead of ink-in. For JP Bank, write your symbol number and passbook number as shown. If you are using other banks, write the bank name, branch name, account type, and account number. Once you've filled out the form, cover it with a green sticky slip. If you see the backside of the form, it's a postcard, so just drop it in the mail. Download the e-Navi app from the store. Enter your card details. With this app, you can check your usage details, change your address, check your available amount, apply net caching, and more. Net caching is a service where the desired amount is transferred to your bank account with no transfer fee. 3D Secure is the service that enables the card issuer to confirm the credit card holder's identity when adding a credit card as a payment method. When purchasing something online with your credit card, you will need the 16-digit number and the expiration date. This step alone may lead to fraudulent use of your credit card. With 3D Secure, you have a two-step authentication password that protects against unwanted access. In order to register for 3D Secure, search for Rakuten 3D Secure or go to the link in the description below. Tap the Register Identity Authentication service. Log in your Rakuten account. Create a unique password. You cannot create a password using your credit card PIN or your Rakuten account password. Tap Register Password. Enter the one-time password you received by phone and the credit card security code. Download Rakuten Pay app. Enter your Rakuten ID and password. Tap Agree Terms and Conditions. If you have previously registered on the e-Navi app, your card will appear here. You can only add Rakuten credit card or Rakuten debit card. Select the card and enter the security code. You can't add a Rakuten card without a 3D Secure password. If you haven't registered for 3D Secure, tap Register Personal Authentication Service. Log in your Rakuten account. Create a unique password. You cannot create a password using your credit card PIN or your Rakuten account password. Tap Register Password. Enter the one-time password you received by phone and the credit card security code. 3D Secure has been registered. Reopen the app and tap red box to enter 3D Secure password you have just created. You've successfully signed up for Rakuten Pay. You can start using it for various stores. If you recharge Rakuten Pay with your Rakuten credit card, you will get 0.5% of the points.